This is a 2017 Mercedes Sprinter. It's a 2500. This is how to replace the wiper blades. Forgive me for the noise in the background. I'm next to a busy road. They generally come in a 2-pack. This is the pack for this specific model, but yours might vary just a little bit different. Go ahead and get those out. They come in 2 different sizes. There should be one of each in this box if that's the box you get. The one on the passenger side, or the left side if you're looking at the truck, the right side if you're in it, that is the smaller one. So the smaller one is on the passenger side and the driver's side is the longer one. You'll notice these aren't like regular wiper blades if you replaced those before. These have a squeezy bit right here. So what you do to get this off is actually fairly simple. You pull it up and you push the 2 tabs right here and you bend it and pull it off, and then reverse the process to get the new one on. This is the new one. Slide that on and then just push from the back. You may have to squeeze a little bit and that will get right on there. And then move it back and forth a little bit just to make sure it's on there, and then go ahead and do the other side.